Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how to make crispy spicy yogurt fried chicken. As you can see, I already washed my chicken. You can use any chicken parts you want. Then I'm going to add some salt to taste. After that, I'm going to add some pepper flakes. Because I want it very spicy, I'm going to add enough pepper to it. Then add some mixed spices, thyme or oregano, whatever spice you prefer using, you can add it to the mix. Don't forget to hit the like button and turn on your notification to get notified anytime I post any new video. Now we're going to add in some plain yogurt in a bowl. Then we're going to add some lemon juice into the bowl. The lemon juice is going to inject some flavor into the chicken that you may not need any sauce to eat it with. Then crack an egg into the mixture and whisk very well. This is going to be used as a marinade, and we're going to keep it in the fridge overnight after pouring it into the chicken. It will help to make the chicken very tender and juicy inside. Pour the mixture into the chicken. Mix it, but don't work on it too much, and keep in the fridge overnight. You can also do that for just about 2 hours, but I prefer keeping it overnight. Now get a separate bowl and pour all-purpose flour into it. Then put your chicken one after the other into the bowl and make sure the flour wraps it all around. Make sure it covers all the liquid parts of the chicken, and then place on a flat plate or flat tray, whatever you want to use for it. Make sure you do that for all the chicken. Then allow it to stay for about 2 minutes. After this is the outcome. We're going to place a deep skillet on heat and add some vegetable oil to it, and not vegetable oil because this is going to be a deep fry. Kindly make sure your heat is on medium so that the inner part is going to cook just as much as the outer part. You can fry your chicken for about 12 to 15 minutes, or just about when the outer part is brown and crispy. So you're going to love this recipe because when it is done, the outer part is very crispy while the inside is very juicy and tender. You can serve this crispy chicken with any ketchup of your choice. Yummy, crispy. See you next time on Explore Food with Rejoice. Bye.